I'm revealing my entire short-form workflow so you can churn out high-quality YouTube shorts that convert viewers. What's up? I'm Sandy, your guide for authentic video, and grab my free shorts playbook below. It all begins with organization. I use Airtable to track every piece of my content pipeline. Keep columns for title, status, publish date, script, and assets to prevent dropping anything in the workflow. Every script needs a clear structure, a strong hook, value body, and an undeniable call to action. I'm experimenting with naturally looping endings that subtly encourage viewers to rewatch your short for watch time. Once the script is locked, I film by finding natural light, propping my phone near a window with simple gear. I record one long, continuous take where I riff freely, which yields many usable clips in one session. Traditional mobile apps have limits like single-layer timelines, making layering in B-roll by hand a real headache. That is where an AI tool like Vizard changes the game by automatically detecting the most engaging moments from your take. It pulls out multiple short clips and finds natural punchlines in ready-to-post files. Even when manually tweaking, the goal is layering in cinematic B-roll and repositioning graphics for vertical polish. For stock footage, use pixels or unsplash, but you must filter for portrait orientation to keep clips looking crisp. If editing manually, extract the audio and carefully line up the new B-roll clip to cover your original voice where needed. For background music, always use YouTube's audio library and keep that volume extremely low, between 1 and 3%. Please caption your shorts because they are not optional for retention and accessibility. Manual captioning is tedious, auto-captioning tools are shockingly accurate and export burned-in subtitles quickly. When adding graphics like GIFs or circles, design them vertically and keep everything centered to prevent cropping. For uploading, use the mobile shorts flow, then switch to desktop YouTube Studio for full title and description optimization. The title needs to be snappy. The description must include hashtags and a link to your free resource. I use TubeBuddy for tag suggestions, but strong engagement signals, like watch time, are what YouTube truly prioritizes. The shortcut saves hours. I let an AI tool auto-create, auto-caption, and cue multiple viral-ready clips from one long video. Compare that to the friction of switching between 7 different apps for editing, designing, and scheduling your content. Schedule using YouTube Analytics to find peak times, aiming for a morning release window just before traffic hits. Before publishing, double-check that captions are accurate, the thumbnail frame is clean, and the post is scheduled correctly.